and right on the back here is your semitendinosus. Okay, part of your hamstrings. Okay, so that's the upper thigh. All four of them
Could
around.
you say those names again?
Sartorius here,
Sartorius,
gracilis, biceps femoris, and your semitendinosus is right here. It's right there. That one.
Okay.
Okay? So now we come over here to the side that is cut, we can put it back together. Now when it comes to your sartorius and gracilis, you have cut this muscle in two pieces. So when you study it, you need to grab both those pieces because he's either going to pin one of these pieces here or he's going to pin the whole muscle on this side because you can see it here. Okay? So he could pin these and he could pin either one of these. So when you grab a sartorius, you need to grab both sides. Okay? Because if you only grab one side and he pins this side, you're not going to know what he's got pinned. Okay? So when we start at the upper leg here, the very top muscle here is our sartorius. Okay? When we pull back our sartorius, the muscle that was right underneath that was this one here. This is the other one that was held down by the connective tissue to the knee. I call this your coffee muscle. It's your latte.
Oh, the latte. That's
right.
good.
The tensor fascia latte. Okay, and all you need to remember is latte. It's spelled a little different, but that's okay. When you pull that up, what you have left is your quadriceps. Quad means how many? Four. Did we go over the taco with you? No.
Okay. Well, we mentioned it.
Okay, this is what we call your taco muscles. It's you can either call it a taco or a hot dog. They both work. Okay. You have three vastus muscles and a rectus femoris. Okay. Those vastus muscles would be your taco shell. Okay. You have two on the sides, one that comes along the bottom. Okay. These are named for where they're located. So you have a vastus lateralis, a vastus medialis, and a vastus intermedius. What does intermedius mean?
In the middle.
In the middle. So that's or in between. That's the in between one. So they're named for the way they're located on the leg. This is the lateral side, so this would be a vastus lateralis. This is a medial side, so that would be a vastus medialis. And along the bottom here is your vastus intermedius. In the middle, this is your rectus femoris. That's the meat inside the taco.
Okay.
Okay? Does that make sense?
That makes sense.
That's it for the upper leg.
Oh, wow.
Okay?
Just pretty
So now it is pretty easy. So now we're going to come down here to the lower part, and we're going to put it back together. And you start with your gracilis. Now we have two pieces of our gracilis, okay? We're going to open up the gracilis, and you have all these muscles on the inside, okay? Now when you go from the outside in, when you study this inner thigh, you're always going to go from the outside in. You have two semi-muscles, two adductor muscles, okay? Two semis, two adds. Okay, semitendinosus, because that's the outer one here, right? We're starting from the outside.
Is this?
Yeah, it's this one. Here's this just kind of, you can cut that.
There's a blade.
I have it here.
Okay, so the first one's your semitendinosus, then you have semimembranosus. Okay, semitendinosus, semimembranosus. Now the next two muscles is your adductor muscles. Don't get them confused with abductors.
Right.
You're not going to be tested on any abductors, but that doesn't mean it's not going to say abductor. Okay? So you have an adductor femoris and an adductor longus. To remember which is the biggest bone in your body?
The femur?
Femur.
That's what
So
I was
your
thinking,
adductor femoris is the bigger of the two muscles. Okay? That would be this one. See how much bigger that is?
Yeah.
Let me look at yours though. This is your adductor femoris. This is your adductor longus. This is my adductor femoris here. This is my adductor longus here. Okay? Now you have two more muscles up in here. You have one that sits on top of your femoral artery and one that is below it. This is your femoral artery. This is my femoral artery. Do you see it there?
Yeah.
Okay. One of them is a pectineus. One of them is an iliopsoas. Do you guys know where your iliac crest is?
Yes.
Near
The top.
Pelvic.
Upper part of your
Yes.
pelvic. Is that above or below your artery?
That's going to be
above.
above.
The iliopsoas is above. Okay? Like an ilio, like an iliac. Okay? That would be this rope muscle right here. Right there.
This one here.
That's your iliopsoas there. Right below it, you have the pectineus. The little teeny muscle right there, that's your pectineus.
How does the pectineus look on that since most cats are going to be little?
Right there. Pectineus, iliopsoas.
Oh, you can see much more of a rope-like on the small cat.
Mm-hmm.
Pectineus.
Yeah, you can. Well, yours is covered with fat. That's why it's hard to see it. Okay, the teeny muscle is a pectineus. The one above it, because you're just gonna remember the ilio is above it, because it's your iliac is above. Okay. Now you guys are gonna do that.
Pectineus.
You can see that better now that you did that.
Some students call it a teeny pecker, because it's a peck and it's teeny.
That's a good thing to remember that.
Okay, so who wants to go first? You're going to start with the leg that's in one piece, and then you're going to put it back together, and you're going to pull it apart on this side.
Oh,
Okay.
Lord. I need a list for that.
That's okay.
Here, I'm going to stop recording.